Hello everyone. Today we will see the second portion of preparation of amines. Here we will see the last two methods of preparation of amines. First of all, we will discuss Gabriel thalamide synthesis. This is the method of preparation of primary amines. Gabriel thalamide synthesis is a named reaction, so it is a very important reaction and it is a repeated question in the CBSE question paper. So we will see the reaction. Gabriel's thalamide synthesis is used for the preparation of primary amines only. Here thalamide, the compound thalamide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of thalamide. That means thalamide on reaction with the ethanolic KOH, you get potassium salt of thalamide, which on heating, that means this potassium salt of thalamide on heating with the alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis. That means hydrolysis with any alkali, example NaOH, you get primary amine. That means thalamide on reaction with ethanolic KOH, you get potassium salt of thalamide, which on heating with alkyl halide, you get alkaline as alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces corresponding primary amine. Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with the anion formed by thalamide. So aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the anion formed by thalamide. So we can see the reaction and the equation here. So let us see the equation. First compound is thalamide, that is benzene ring COCONH. That thalamide on reaction with the KOH, you get potassium salt of thalamide. Instead of H in the thalamide, you get K, that is potassium salt of thalamide. The second compound is potassium salt of thalamide, that is benzene ring CONKCO. That second compound, potassium salt of thalamide, on reaction with the RX, that means alkyl halide, you get N-alkyl thalamide. That means the potassium is replaced by R of alkyl group. R, that means alkyl group. So we get N-alkyl thalamide. That is benzene ring CONRCO. This N-alkyl thalamide, that is benzene ring CONRCO, on alkaline hydrolysis, that means NaOH. Alkaline hydrolysis means hydrolysis in presence of NaOH, you get primary amine and a salt of carboxylic phthalic acid, sodium salt of phthalic acid. That means thalamide on reaction with the KOH, ethanolic KOH, you get potassium salt of thalamide, which on reaction with alkyl halide, you get N-alkyl thalamide. This N-alkyl thalamide on alkaline hydrolysis, you get the primary amine. That is all about Gabriel's thalamide synthesis. It is a very important reaction. The next reaction is also very important. This is also a repeated question in CBSE question paper. Very, very important question. It is a named reaction and it is Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. And the name is Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. Hofmann developed a method for preparation of primary amines by treating an amide with bromine in aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. In this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amide to the nitrogen atom. Here, migration of alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amide to the nitrogen atom. The amine so formed contains one carbon less than that present in the amide. So this is a reaction. Here the amine formed by this reaction contains one carbon atom less than that present in the amide. Here the name of the reaction is Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction. That means reaction of amide with bromine. So it is known as bromamide degradation. The number of carbon atom is lowered in the product. So it is known as degradation. So, and the name of the person, Hofmann. So Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. Clear? That is it is a preparation of primary amines by treating an amide with bromine in aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. That is reaction between amide an aqueous or ethanol solution of sodium hydroxide with bromine. So it is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation. Bromamide means reaction between bromine and amide. Degradation represents the lowering of number of carbon atoms in the product. So we can see the equation of this reaction. Here we have two examples or two equations. The first one is acetamide, that is CH3CONS2 plus Br2 plus 4NaOH. That means amide plus bromine plus alkali. You get methanamine. So methanamine contains only one carbon atom and the amide, acetamide, has two carbon atoms. So it is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation. The number of carbon atom is decreased in the product when you compare with the reactant. And you have the byproducts such as NABR, Na2CO3, H2. That means acetamide. ഈ അസറ്റമൈഡിൽ CONH2 ഉണ്ട്, അതിൽ CO അങ്ങ് പോകും, എന്നിട്ട് CH3NH2 മാത്രം പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിൽ ഫോം ചെയ്യും. ആ CO ബാക്കിയുള്ള Br2ഉം NaOH ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ട് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്ത് ബാക്കി ബൈ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് ഫോം ചെയ്യും. സോ അസറ്റമൈഡ് എന്തായിട്ട് മാറി? മെത്തനമീൻ. അപ്പോൾ എക്സാമിന് ചോദിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് കാർബൺ ആറ്റം കുറയ്ക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഹോഫ്മാൻ ബ്രോമമൈഡ് റിയാക്ഷൻ നിങ്ങൾ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഹോഫ്മാൻ ബ്രോമമൈഡ് റിയാക്ഷൻ വേണം നിങ്ങൾ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കാൻ. സോ വി ക്യാൻ സീ ദ സെക്കൻഡ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് പ്രൊപ്പനമൈഡ് plus Br2 plus 4NaOH gives ethanamine plus NaBr plus Na2CO3 plus 2H2O. That means propanamine is CH3CH2CONH2 plus Br2 plus 4NaOH. You get CH3CH2NH2 plus 2NaBr plus Na2CO3 plus 2H2O. That means propanamine. There are three propanamide. There are amide means compounds containing CONH2 group that we have already studied. Here propanamide has only 3 carbon atoms, and in the product ethanamine there are only 2 carbon atoms. That means the number of carbon atoms decreased by 1 unit, decreased by 2, and there is total decrease of 1 carbon atom. അതായത് 3 ആണെങ്കിൽ 2 ആയിട്ട് കുറയും, 2 ആണെങ്കിൽ 1 ആയിട്ട് കുറയും കാർബണിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം. So it is known as a degradation. That is why it is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. അപ്പോൾ അസറ്റമൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് മെത്തനമീൻ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം, പ്രൊപ്പനമൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്തനമീൻ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം, ഇനി ബ്യൂട്ടനമൈഡിൽ നിന്നാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രൊപ്പനമീൻ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം. ക്ലിയർ? It is a very important reaction. And the assignment is index to question of 13.3. You have to complete the index to question 13.3 of this chapter.